Hello students, how are you all? In this video we will know about thunderstorm. Nowadays we often see heavy rainfall with loud thunder and lightning. So what is a thunderstorm? A storm with thunder and lightning is called thunderstorm. It is accompanied by heavy rain and hail. So first we will know how thunderstorms are formed. The sun heats the surface of earth. The hot surface of the earth warms the air in contact with it, and the warm air lighter rises up, creating a low pressure, and cool air rushes in to take its place. The water vapor present in the rising air cool and condense to form cloud. Some of the water vapor of the cloud form tiny water droplets, and some of it turns into ice particles. The water droplets are carried upward in the cloud, but the ice particles drift downward. The friction between the fast rising water droplets and the ice particle produces opposite electric charges. The top of the cloud becomes positively charged and the bottom of the cloud becomes negatively charged. A large amount of opposite electric charges build up in the cloud, which produces a big electric spark within the cloud. This electric spark is lightning. The spark of lightning heats the nearby air too. This extremely hot air expands explosively, causing a loud sound called thunder. When electric charges from the bottom of the electrically charged cloud flows down through the air to the ground, then we see the flash of lightning coming down towards the earth. In this way, a thunderstorm brings strong winds, thunder, lightning, and heavy rain. During a thunderstorm, we should take the following precautions. First, we should never sit near a window, or we should never stay in an open place or a metal shade, because these places are not safe during lightning. We should never take shelter under an umbrella with a metallic end, because metallic ends, the metal work as an conductor, so it can harm us. Next, we should not take shelter under an isolated tree. Why an isolated tree? Because isolated tree is more likely to be hit by lightning due to its nearness to the cloud. A car or a bus is a safe place to take shelter during lightning, because its metal body can conduct the lightning to earth safely without harming us. If we are in water, then we should come out of water, because water also conducts electricity and that can harm us during a thunderstorm. So in this video we have learned about everything related to thunderstorm. What is a thunderstorm, how it is formed, and what precautions are need to be taken during a thunderstorm. So if you have any queries regarding this video, you can comment it. Till then, bye.